Module 3 is entitled Goal Setting, Motivation, and Achievement. According to Robbins, achieving goals entails far more than just hard work and dedication. Research shows that learning how to achieve goals is a matter of psychology and brain chemistry. Our interests and goals in conflict are sometimes hard to identify. When goals can be clearly thought through ahead of time, you will be more likely to both negotiate for your goals and acknowledge emerging goals in the conflict process. Upon this lesson, you should be able to identify the major types of interests and goals, and also be able to explain how goals can change in interaction.